Today we are going to discuss about the attribute error. Non-type object has no attribute, two capabilities. So this attribute error I have encountered while running in Appium automation using the Python programming language. So this is the recent attribute error I have encountered while using the latest Appium Python client and the latest version of Selenium. So first we will try to replicate the issue in PyCharm. After that, I will discuss about the solution. And jumping to the PyCharm. So here I have created a sample class automation base there and also imported all the vector items. And I have set the default port 4723 and default host 127.0.0.1. And here we have a default constructor. Inside that I have the code to start the Appium service through the program. Once the Appium service is up, we can set all the desired capabilities. Here I am using a Pixel 5 that is a virtual device. So I have created the virtual device using Android Studio. So it's an emulator. So I have set all the required desired capabilities here. After that, I am setting the driver equal to WebDriver.remote of that URL, then passing the desired capabilities which we have mentioned here. So before executing this, I'm going to check the versions of Selenium and Appium Python client. So here we can see I'm using Appium Python client is the latest version 3, and the Selenium version I'm using 4.13, that is the latest version. And we will check the Appium server version. So for that, I've entered the Appium command in the command line. So here we can see that Appium server is 2.1.3 is the latest one. So we all set, and now I'm going to execute the code. And yeah, here I already opened the emulator. Okay, the emulator is ready. So I just started the Appium. Oh shit! Here we have this error. Okay, test failed. Right. So we'll check the error, and I'm going to the console. Yes, here we can see that error, attribute error, non-type object has no attribute, two capabilities. So this is coming from the WebDriver.python that file. We have the line number 185. We are getting this error. So we'll see how can we solve this problem. The solution is very simple. We have to pass some additional options to the remote WebDriver. So for that, I think we can set the options equal to the UI automated to options. So this is the one we have to import. After that, we can do the load capabilities. There we can load all the desired capabilities. After that, this option we have to pass to the remote server. So here we can mention options equal to options. So this is a simple line we need to add UI automated to options. Then we have to UI automated to options function. After that, we have to load the capabilities. There we need to pass with this capabilities. After that, we have this options object. That object we can set it here. That one we are passing to the Appium server. Okay. So now let's see whether this script will execute or not. I just started the script. Here I will see on device. I open the emulator. Here I can see the Appium service is running. And yes, now the application is open. The test is passed. So here I can see the test case also passed. So this is just a simple configuration. If you are encountering the problem of the attribute error, that time attribute error in the latest Appium Python client 3, and if you are using Selenium 4.13.0, in Appium server 2.1.3, you can apply this option, okay, to solve in this issue. And same way, if you are using an iOS, so there also we can use options equal to XC UI test options. Yeah, so we have the XC UI test options. After that, you can load the capabilities. You can set the desired capabilities. Then you can pass these options to your WebDriver or remote. So this is applicable for iOS. Suppose if you are using automation for iOS device, you can set this option. Okay. So I hope this video helps you to solve this problem of attribute error. So try to utilize this if you have this problem in the future. Thank you very much.